So how you doing, lads? Today we open up a booster box of Paldea Evolved. Those are my first packs that I open up. So wish me luck, first of all. And second thing, wish me to get Iono, which is the chase card of the set. Oops, I pulled two of them. Okay, so let's see the first pack. Actually, I didn't open up Scarlet and Violet a lot. So, how much we doing? One. I didn't open a lot of Scarlet and Violet. Not this set, not Paldea Evolved. Reversal, which is great for the game. And Knuckly. Oh, and Tingatoni X, full art on the first one. Nice. Okay, so I'll put them up in the side. Wait, I'll put them right here. This is nice. Gonna have a lot of mess in here. This didn't organize too much. Just randomly bought a pack. This Phalanx is beautiful. Bought a pack and open up. First booster box. Cool font. Earthworm. Tinkaton. Tinkaton. Okay. Two behind. Let's go. I must say I love the changes in the Scarlet and Violet area. That the codes are all black or all white with no change. Therapeutic energy. Choice belt. Another choice belt. I don't need more. Outer zone. Spirit Tomb. Oh, good cards. Clodzire. Those are good cards for the game. The Clodzire I'll put here. The cards for the game I'll put in the side. All the packs I'll throw here. Everything is organized. And life is good. Okay. Rumbling, Kufan, Krogant, Zuelos, Mousehold, Vespiqueen, Fletchinder, and Boss Order. Nice. The first boss. Out of many. Well, the ones of you playing the game, the Boss Order may be the most valuable card in the game. Maybe in every deck there is a boss, at least one Boss Order. Jet Energy, which is good. And nice, another full art. Nice. Going strong. I hope the rest of the booster box won't be bad. Let's see. Well, but there is no rush when every code is black, you know. Raichu, which is beautiful, and Chinyu. Nice. I hope I will get to open many booster boxes. At least one from the next set. Because I didn't open up the last ones. This is awesome, super odd. Saguro, Trapius, Tarantula, and Abome Snow. You can see on my table, I have at least one booster box of every set. I don't have master sets. I collect really specific cards, but I love this setup. Great Ball, Tropius, Makuita, Croc Color. I hope I will get the alt art of this one. Unsparse, Combi, and Luxray. Okay. Keep going. We opened up all the good cards at the start. Let's hope for Iono or alt art. Metal Energy. Tad Bob. Okay, what a name. Oh, Rilor, Faulkner, Viper, Pyro, Mischief, Fococo, and Veluza. You know, something that I like in Pokemon is on the first sets that every name have a meaning. Like wheezing, or coughing, it's coughing. Ekans, it's a snake. But on the new sets, what's it in Kataf? Really, that's a good card. Gotorita, like it's Goti. Veluza, what is Veluza? Reverse an energy, which is good, and Mimikyu. Okay. But on the new sets, really, what is Chi-Yu EX? What is Chi-Yu? Seriously. They are not as creative as they used to be. Maybe they are out of content. Out of idea. Oh, shit, I see something in the back. I think it's Rookie D. If it's Rookie D, it's good, because I like this card. It is beautiful. Even Oblicorio is beautiful. I love this card. Seriously, I love it. I love birds. Burps, not birds. Burbs. I have 2 burps of my own. Yeah, you will see them in a future videos. The burps. Shuki and Toot. So, Energy Dano, Magikarp. This is nice card. Come on, come on, come on. Slacking. Slackot, it's a name. Give me a slack. But yeah, they are not that creative as they used to be. Quaxley is Tinka-Tink. Luminous Energy, good card. Bombardier. Jumpluff. Okay. I'm happy about the Rookie D and the 2 and the 2 full arts, but we are here for the alt arts. Come on. Nice. I hope this is not the hit of the set, really. Slowking is nice, really. It's beautiful. Those cards are beautiful, but I'm not looking for that. At least next week there is a convention of Pokemon, and we might be selling it or switch it. Grusha. In Igbo, Grusha, it means divorced for women, which is a little bit funny. Grusha. For divorced women. Aye. So, another one. I control the energy. So, Flamigo. Love it. Glimora. So, the ones who don't know, I'm playing the game, the TCG live. So I need cards to play with. So all the cards on the side, I need them. And I also collect, of course, because we are all addicted to Pokemon cards. So, the energy. Maybe we'll get a new energy. Oh, United Wings. This is nice deck, and I love this card when all the Waterers are in a pack. Another Tinka-Tink. Shudo. Primeape. I guess. Bramble Ghost. Rabska. Rabska. Whatever. I think all the hits were at the start. I really hope not. Maybe a character error or something. Or a gold card. Gold card might be nice. Come on. No. Pomot. The ones who need codes, I'm sorry, I need them too. But in the live it's easier to get cards. So maybe I'll, when I have enough, I will start giving them away. In the online, it was much worse when you need every code and you can't even share or something because you must have another cards to switch or to offer. Ice Cube. Hariyama. So today it's much easier to play in the live, but the game is bad. It's bad designed and a lot of bugs, and until they fix them, the ones of you who come from the high-tech industry, you know it takes up to a month to fix every bug. Calamitus. Oh, Magikarp, it's beautiful. Flamigo, yes, and Lycan Rock. EX. I love the birds cards when they are reversed. Oh, Tarantula Marco, another United Wings cards. Kilowatt, Calamitous Snowy Mountains, and Wigglytuff. Nice, nice. It's fine. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna have a trash deck. Wingo, Primeape, another Hydragian. Jesus. I wish in previous booster box that every code was black. So something good were sure to pop out. Shinx. This Shinx is cute. Pelipper. Another Abomasnow. We had Abomasnow before. I really think that all the hits were oops. That all the hits were came at the start. We are with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hits. It's fine. Could be better. Could be much better. We're still looking for Iono or Seguro or something. Come on. Practice Studio. Come on. Choice Belt. Gyarados. Oh, Gyarados cute. But it's just cute. I love collecting the cards that are not like V or GX, like the old ones. There are some new that looks beautiful, like this Gyarados. Let's see this Gyarados for a second. You see? It's a nice card. So, we have Gotita, Meryl, another Flamingo, Bombardier. Super odd, it's cool. Come on. Oh, Tinglu. Like Chinese, Tinglu. This is a good card. I need it. Tinglu, there is a deck with Tinglu that cuts off all the abilities of Pokemons. So you can't, your opponent can't use abilities. But I need another Tinglus for this deck. Pikachu, this is the first Pikachu I think we got out. I want this Pikachu EX. Spiritomb is good for the game. Come on. Pikachu EX, come on, Seguro. Iono. Dendra, Falsan, come on. Meryl, oh. Excalibur, it's good for the game. And this Meryl is beautiful. Oh, finally something. Excalibur is good to switch with people who play this deck, the Palkia deck, or I don't remember this name, with the ice Pokemon. Let's see, come on, Grafayai, whatever, come on, the Dene EX, okay, it's cool. I went to say cute and cool, same time. I went by Q, cute and cool, Q. It might be something. Come on. 6 packs to go. This is the 6th one and another 5. Okay, didn't saw anything. Come on, Delibird, Super Odd, good. At least something for the game. Come on, Giacomo, whatever. No, Oricorio, we had one already. 5 packs to go. Maybe we'll have the last pack magic. Maybe, just maybe. Psychic Energy, Bramblin, Mischief, come on, Whooper. This is good. Okay. No, nothing. But this Pikachu reverse is cute. I put it in my Pikachu collection. Come on. 4 to go. This is the 4th one. Come on. Darkness Energy, Phalanx, Jigglypuff, Velos, Maushold, say Titan, Seguro. No. I feel some pressure. Like gambling. Seriously, like gambling. Come on. Fletchling, Voltrob, Clavel, Tropius, Talonflame, Heracross, Kilowattrel, Grusha, Maushold, another full art of Noivern EX. We have a lot of full arts. Is it a new thing that I have free full arts with no character or something? What I'm gonna do with this full art? They ain't worth much. There's some guys collect Noivern, but I don't like this Pokemon. Just a bet, and the only good bet is Batman. Oh, okay. Finally something. Nice. And Tyranitar, nice. It came on before the last one. There is another pack. Actually, it's beautiful card. I love golden energies. So this is the last pack. I hope you guys enjoyed it and see some opening. I hope we'll see you again. Subscribe for the channel. Super, it's good for the game, so subscribe for the channel. This is a new channel with the first video, and we'll have some other stuff. This is the setup. See you. Bye.